Back in class read location task, we saw that once we retrieved the location information, we kicked off a new read forecast task to read the corresponding forecast data. And part of what we did when initializing the new read forecast task was pass in a forecast listener that could respond once the weather data had been retrieved. So for that purpose, we defined this nested forecast listener interface. And that interface consists of exactly one method, onForecastLoaded, which will be called once we've retrieved the forecast data, and it will pass 5 pieces of information to its listener: a bitmap representing the weather in graphical form, and then strings for the temperature, the feels like temperature. As you know, different weather conditions could make it feel like it's actually hotter or colder than it really is, a string representing the humidity percentage, and a string representing the chance of precipitation. The constructor for the class receives 3 pieces of data: the string for the zip code, the forecast listener, and the context in which the read forecast task will execute. And at lines 47 through 49, we initialize 3 of our instance variables. The first 2 are just straight assignments, and then for the resources object, we go to the context object and ask it for the resources object. We also have a set sample size method which receives an integer, and this is going to set our instance variable bitmap sample size to whatever sample size we receive as an argument. And again, the bitmap sample size can be used when loading images to downsample the images to save memory.